Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to carve our brows. I did this video previously, but I got some messages that it wasn't beginners friendly because I made use of pencil to get the shape that was needed. So now you're just going to follow as it is because it's not that stressful. You're just going to follow as I do. First, you make use of cotton wool to clean your face. Then you take your edge control and rub on your brows. Brush them properly so that they'll stay in place before you start to carve your brows with the razor blade. Now you can use your razor blade full or you break it depending on anyone that is okay with you. We go over to the top part. When removing it, you take it upwards as seen. When you get to the highest point, you stop there. That's your arc. Then you go over to the other side. You take out the excess until you meet the other point.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past.
Now we go over to the under part. When doing this, you do it gently and you do it the way your hand feels comfortable, this way or coming from the other end.
There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of.
When you get to the inner corner, you raise your brows, ensure it's tight, and remove smoothly and gently. After taking out that part, the remaining extra or excess hairs that are below, you take it off. You ensure that environment is clear, that area is properly clean. Now you repeat same on the other eyebrow. Then you go under. You can do it that way or you do it this way. Anyone that feels comfortable with your hands. Now you go over to do finishing touches. When they do this part, you take it from up to down. We are just cleaning the surrounding of the brows. Don't go too close to your eyebrow, if not you're going to spoil what you've carved. We are done. Now we just clean. That's it. Now you can leave it like that when going out, or you fill it in. Just draw hair-like strokes and clean ordinarily or with your concealer. It will look natural. Like that's what I do sometimes. For people with thin eyebrows, this tutorial is going to be very useful for you. And here you have it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Here's the closer look. See it.